stopped. I'm going to do this recording just in case I want to make a video on it or something. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. So you should only be, I want everybody to listen carefully. I'm going to just list off the rules of what you should be doing, contracts. So you should only be trading an eval. Do not put your PAs on the line for this because these are not 100% win rate. And then what you need to do is go into, look, I'm making sure I don't have this copied over on my copy trader. Make sure you go to the website of the prop firm that you're trading, and you have to check, like for mine is a Tradeify 150K growth, and you have to check what their max contracts are on their rule because they vary by thing, and they vary by size, of course. So if you're doing a growth account on Tradeify, your max contracts are 4. Mine here are going to be 12. So here's what I'm going to do. The profit target is also going to be on the website. My profit target on my evaluation is 9,000. So what's 9,000 divided by 20 for meaning 1 mini divided by 12, the max contracts? 37.5 points. So I have the 12 lined up, meaning I need to get 37.5 points to pass this account, which with CPI is super, super easy, all right? Any questions so far? Just let me know. I also am recording this, so if you don't get all of it, I'm going to upload it on YouTube for everybody, but just any specific questions, let me know soon because this should drop in 5 minutes. The last part about where to take profit. Yeah, sure. Our limit ordering, are all prop firms have max contract size and rules? Yes, no prop firm, hell no. No, you only full port red folder news events and specifically only NFP or CPI. That's why these are big days when they come out. So limit ordering, yes, and I'll get into that when it's about 8:28 when we're way closer to it dropping. And then the last part about taking profit is go to the website. Everybody listen, this is big stuff. Go to the website. Let's say, for example, you're doing an Alpha Futures 50K account. So you're going to go to Alpha Futures. You're going to go to Start Evaluation. You do an Alpha Futures 0, 50K. You can see it says profit target is 3,000 and max, what are the max contracts on this? 3 contracts. So what are you going to do? You're going to divide that profit target by the max contracts and then again by 20 because that's $20 per point on a mini. And that's how many points you need. You need 50 points, right? So now that you have that, like for me, like I said, I get 12 contracts. I need a $9,000 profit target. Divided by 20, I need 37.5 points to pass this account. So what we're going to do is, about a minute, not even, before this drops, around 8:29:30, whatever this current price is. So right now we're at about 894. Add 25 to it. So what's 894 plus 20? It's the next 25. So it'd be all the way up here. Although, damn, this price action has no volatility towards it. Hold up. Let me look at the chart on TradingView. Damn, very, very small range. Okay, interesting. So this would be 896. My chart isn't very... Oh yeah, NQ, by the way, not MNQ. That's my bad. I should have mentioned that. You should not be trading micros on this. You're going literally full size. So 900. So you want to go about 20 points above and 20 points below the current price. So we're at 897. So I would go at 917. And I would press buy 12 stop. They have to be stop orders so that when you're buying, it continues on the uptrend. And then the same thing. Okay, we're at 900, so I go 20 points down to about 80. Sell 12 stop. Max contracts every single time. All right. I was trading London, but I've been getting chopped up. Is it because of CPI? No, it's probably because London is at 2 in the morning. Honestly, I don't really know. I don't trade London very often. There are sometimes we just have choppy days. And yeah, that's about it. But I'm not too familiar with London, but you know, it is also an overnight session, so it just tends to have less volume. How you place the limit orders, you're going to click, I mean, I'm on Tradeivate, but you could do this on Top Step X as well, like just right click, and you're just going to press and then press the 12 stop. So for longs, buy 12 stop, for sells, sell 12 stop. And we're going to do this in about 2 minutes so we get the most precise price. And like I said, we're going to go about 20 to 25 points above the current price. And then it's going to come out and it's going to wick up in one direction, fill us, and hopefully we continue. And then you can place a take profit. I usually just manually exit just right when I get to that 9,000 profit target. But it really is up to you. So, yeah. Got 2 minutes here. Also, for my stops and take profits, damn, we're just using this time for just Q&A. For my stops and take profits, I've only got one contract only actually getting filled and not all my positions. Is that on a PA account or an eval? Are you limit buying and selling on one account? Yeah. I don't have multiple accounts that are like one is buying, one is selling. That's fine. I've done that in the past, but nowadays I just have enough money that I can just buy another one. No subtle flex. So, yeah, I'm always going to limit and buy and sell one account, yeah. And if you're only on one PA, or if you're on a PA account for that, then that's just probably the max contract size that it lets you do. Okay. Got time for like 1 or 2 more questions. But yeah. So yeah, right at around 8:29:30, we're going to place those limits, and then we're going to get a huge volatile candle. And then we are going to get filled and then try to manually exit at my profit target. Like I said, I only need 37.5 points. For you 50K guys, you may need more like 50. But CPI should deliver at least 80 points, so you should be good. We're mooning now. Alright, it's almost time. And of course, disclaimer, this does not work every time. But it's worked for me quite a lot in the past. But, you know, anything can happen always. But CPI and NFP, there's a reason why I wait for just these two to happen. It's because they're the most volatile. All right. We're making a move up here. All right. I'm placing mine at 931 and then, what's this, 905? And then 870, 25,880. Actually, 930 and 880. All right, here we go. All right, I'm in longs. I want to get out when we're up 9 bands. I'm in longs. So this needs to keep going here. Got it. Passed it. 9,050 on the dot. I mean, who does it like me? You guys should be almost out. It should still keep going. You should be very close. If not out already. It's probably got a little bit more on it, but I am out. I perfectly sniped that for 9,050. Wow, the kid is back. Okay, you should definitely have passed it by now with those longs. You should definitely have passed it by now. You should be done. Who passed theirs? Come on, tell me. Tell me who passed it, because I know you did. Come on now. Come on now. 150K in funding in one fucking day. Fuck is y'all talking about? Now I get to add it to the fleet. Oh my goodness. I basically just added the equivalent of 350K, so I basically have 20 accounts now. That's fucking money. So yeah, that was it. Sell that limit, it gets filled. And then I manually exit, which can get risky. I mean, dude, I couldn't have cut it closer with the 9,050. I literally sniped that bitch. But yeah, I mean, if you got out and you're off by a little, do not revenge and hop back in and try to get it. Out of the combine, let's fucking go, baby. With a PA. Your stop didn't work? What, like it didn't fill it? The fuck? My shit was not selling. No, I'm still in my back testing phase. Yeah, the zeros or the Tradeify gross are definitely the best. That's low-key one of the main reasons why I only have an affiliate with Tradeify. Because I can gamble them on news and because they're good accounts. So, this is me with my Tradeifys. I have 4 PAs and now I'm about to have a 5th. And look at this shit just fucking mooning. Your boy called it. We are the GOATs. I will see you guys. I'm not going to be live trading today, but I will be dropping daily bias analysis, everything like that. But we just took out all our bullish targets. So we could reverse at 9:30 open and go for data lows, but I will be telling more around 9:15ish. All right. So that is